In this video, I'll show you how to fix eBay listing errors. Alright, so there could be a plethora of reasons that you're getting this error. So first and foremost, let's make sure that we are sticking within the guidelines and the policies here. So I've put a link in the description of this video so you can check the eBay policies. Next up is extensions. Browser extensions can sometimes be a menace. Sometimes things like ad blockers will actually block important things from coming through. So just switch it off, try again. If it works, switch it back on when you're done. If not, just switch it back on now so we can go to the next step. Next up, we're going to go to the hamburger icon on the top right. We're going to go to settings, then privacy and security on the left, and then delete browsing data. And then you just want to clear your cookies and other site data. You don't have to remove your browsing history, and then just hit delete data. Try again. And if that doesn't work, what you want to do is go to ebay.com, and on the bottom right, you'll see this little question mark. Then click on visit help and contact. Then scroll down till you see contact us. Then choose your specific problem. So we'll say selling, and then creating a listing. And then on the left, click on chat with our automated assistant. And then in detail, type in your problem. See if the chatbot can help you. If not, then in this same text box, just request to speak to an actual assistant or agent, and it will patch you through to the first available one. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.